Welcome everybody to this short tutorial on how to use the level editor for Mario vs Donkey Kong. So first thing you want to do is open Hex Editor, go to Options, Memory Domain, and go to System Bus. Then you want to go to a certain address, so right click, go to address, or press Ctrl G, that works as well. You go to 3000 9CO, and then you have this and this. So this says OD000, this is OD as well. If you change this bytes, so if you can change it to bytes instead of 4 bytes, if you change this byte from OD to OB, you access the level editor automatically. So you can place an item by pressing A, remove an item by pressing B, and shift through the items by pressing R and L. However, there is one small thing about this, that you can actually use more items than it shows in the first place. So like you have like a certain set of items and then it loops around and then it stops. Like you can't access all items all of the time. A way to circumvent this is by going manually into the code, and here I'm gonna show it. Whenever you changed your item, you see that this increments with one number. However, when you get to like 20, it loops around and starts from 0 again. So what you can do is actually change this number up by 1 every time, and you can do this by pressing plus on Hex Editor, and then you can change it with 1 increment at a time. Which makes you actually able to get every item you want. So that's about it. It's very clear, you can get almost all items. You can place a Mario down as well. But to place Mario down, you first have to remove the Mario you have on the screen. When it's invisible, you're gonna have to look for it. You can remove Mario and then place it somewhere else. And if you press start, you play the level that you just made. Might look glitchy sometimes, but well, it is what it is. I hope it is clear, there's not much going on here. So just change this byte from OD to OB. If you're paused, it's gonna be 10 instead of OD, so it's the same thing, you can just change it still and it will work. If it's 00, then it's gonna reset the game, but that's not very useful for anything. Yeah, that's about it.